bitaw, bintang-bintang-bintang.
Okay, there you have it! Bini Bini! Okay, pero nakakaaliw naman, in fairness. Palakpakan po natin, Bini Bini 12, and now,
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say. Pag
mga daliri, kamay at paa, dalawang tenga, dalawang mata. Wala nga pala akong mga mata. Hindi. Nga pala ako nakakakita. Ngunit hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ako nakakakita ay wala na rin ako pandama. Pandama upang maramdaman ang panghuhusga ng lipunan sa akin. Ako si Eva, ipinanganak na walang mga mata. Bulag kung tawagin, madalas laitin at madalas maliitin. Ngunit mas pipiliin kong magbulag-bulaga nang sa gayon ay hindi ko makita ang kasamaan nitong aking tinatawag na lipunan. Bata pa lang ako ay hindi ko na alam kung ano ang aking itsura. Sabi ng aking ama, "Anak, gusto ko paglaki mo maging isang mahusay na doktor ka kahit hindi ka nakakakita." Ngunit paano ko tutuparin ang pangarap ng aking itay kung alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko kaya? Sabi ng ina ko, "Anak, alam mo ang ganda-ganda mo. Ngunit ano ang silbi ng magagandang sambit ng aking ina kung mismo aking mga mata ay hindi ito nakikita?" Mga minamahal kong manonood, ginawa ko po ang talentong ito hindi upang pagtawanan, bagkus upang buksan ang inyong mga isipan na kayong mga pinanganak na normal, naway kayo dapat ang magsilbing mata, bibig at tenga ng mga taong may kapansanan.
How much one bigger, one next to the deep bro. Para ko to win for. I'm the missing hands for. Answers American. I can make it any water that we want to bury. I used to cover the hearted. On the honey, panic, kind of rocks in my Broadway. Back up to McDonald's with. Really get his hands back. If the six hands with. I feel like a single whip I'm pleased with. Wasn't down hands with. Off-white Lexus. Robbie sells low the beat. You're from Texas. Me a bit of pizza. Home of the pointed. They won't name my people. Here I pull my points with. See your water taxes. Sell sipping matches. City coincide. Give me gas. Give me half. Nigga, I just blank out. I can trip a referee. So I'm ready. You gotta sing it with me. Come on, put your hands up. Come question the way to you made up. Here, here, here. Now over here. You work a phone.
There you have it, next on the line, Binibini Sue. Okay, thank you so much. Binibinis, please move backward and Barangay Kaalibambangan Honorable Panel, finally the moment of truth, which is the
Barangay
question
Bangad.
and the answer
Medyo nagkamali
portion.
ng ating host.
Paalala po sa 15
Nabanggit ko
Binibinis,
kanina, pero nandito
ibigay
tayo sa
niyo na po
Bangad, Cabanatuan
ng direct to the
Nueva
point
Ecija.
ang inyong sagot because question, I repeat twice. How do you handle judgment from other people? Again, how do you handle judgment from other people?
Pwede mo ba matagal?
Ihahandle or paano mo kakayanin ang panghuhusga ng ibang tao para sa iyo? Okay.
Ano ko nga daw po ba madadala ang paglalait ng iba? Simple lamang po. Tatagan niyo po ang inyong laob. Dahil alam naman po natin, kapag part ka ng LGBTQ, ikaw ay makakatanggap ng samot-saring diskriminasyon sa ibang tao. Dahil ang ibang tao pa din sa mundo ay hindi kami tanggap ng mga bakla. Kaya tatagan niyo po ang loob niyo. Maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you so much. Binibini 1, please. Lesson did your journey teach you? What lesson did your journey teach you? Parang mali po ito.
Gentlemen, the question goes like this. What lesson did your journey teach you? The biggest lesson that my journey teach me is to stand tall, to have strength, because a lot of people who discriminate us, me as a transgender in this society, I believe that we need to stand tall, spread our wings. Thank you.
Okay, there you have it, baby girl. Palagay dun sa maya. Is the true meaning of confidence? Again, what is the true meaning of confidence? Ano ang what is the true meaning of confidence? Para sa iyo, ano ang kahulugan ng isang tibay ng loob, something like that. Para sa iyo, ano ang meaning ng tibay ng loob?
Ano daw po ba ang meaning ng tibay ng loob? Yan po ay umarap sa inyo ngayong gabi para maipakita ang aming talento at maibigay ang aming best. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Binibini 4. Can you give to young LGBT individuals? What advice can you give to young LGBT individual? Tatagal. Okay, para sa iyo, ano ang maipapayo mo sa mga batang katulad mo? Which is bading, gay.
Well, tinatanong po ako, ano nga daw po mapapayo ko sa bilang maliit na kagaya kong isang LGBT? Well, sa akin po, ang masasabi ko po ay tatagan niyo po. Dahil dito sa ating mundo, sila ang mga mapanghusga. Kaya, kumbaga, kaya tayong mga tao ay, kaya kagaya kong batang LGBT, tatagan lang natin. Lahat ng mga sinasabi nilang panghuhusga, ay gawin natin inspirasyon. Kung kaya tayo mag-aral lang mabuti dahil darating ang araw na masasabi mo, hindi ka lang isang basta bakla. Bakla ka na mayroong pinag-aralan. Yun lamang at marami po.
Binibini 5. Advice would you give to someone struggling with their identity and is afraid to come out? What advice would you give to someone struggling with their identity and is afraid to come out? Tagalogin ko. Sa tingin mo, ano ang maipapayo mo na hanggang ngayon, na katulad mo, wala pa rin lakas ng loob para sila ay magsabing sila ay isang bakla? Isa pa, para sa iyo, ano ang maipapayo mo na hirap pa ring mag-out or magsabi or ipakita ang kanilang tunay na kasarian na kagaya mo?
Maraming salamat po sa isang magandang katanungan. Ang maipapayo ko lang po na natatakot pa na ibulgara ang kanilang sarili sa maraming tao na sila ay part ng LGBT o isang bakla. Huwag po tayong matakot sapagkat andyan po ang ating mga magulang laging nakasuporta sa atin. Dahil always remember, sila ang unang susuporta at bibigay ng lakas ng loob sa atin sa lahat ng ating ginagawa. Pangalawa ay ang ating Panginoon. Lagi tayong humingi ng lakas ng loob sa Kanya nang sa ganon mapatunayan natin sa maraming tao na hindi lang tayo bakla. Huwag tayong matakot ipakita sa maraming tao kung ano tayo dahil tao tayo na nilalang ng Diyos. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat and I thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini. Next. Thank you, Mami Ariel. Pagod na? Kakayanin, of course. Sige. Basahin mo, Binibini 6. Who your biggest supporter your life? Who your biggest supporter your life in your life? Sa tingin mo, sino ang unang-unang sumusuporta or pinakamalaking support? Saan mo natatanggap ang pinakamalaking suporta para sa iyo?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Sino daw po ang pinaka-biggest supporter ko? Para po sa akin, yun po ang aking pamilya. Naniniwala po ako sa kanila dahil nagtitiwala po sila sa anong kakayahan ko. Kaya yun po, para po sa akin ang aking pamilya. Kaya hanggang ngayon, lumalaban po ako para sa kanila. Salamat po.
Thank you. Next, Binibini 7. Are you ready? What is the most important thing you've learned about yourself through your journey as a gay, trans, non-binary person? What is the most important thing you've learned about yourself through your journey as a gay, trans, and person?
First of all, hello and good evening to each and everyone, especially to the Board of Judges and the people of Barangay Bangad. I've learned in my journey as a transgender here in our community, I face so much difficulties and challenges with other people, but I've learned from it that always believe to myself, because if I have belief in myself, I will conquer everything. I will achieve everything in my life because I firmly believe that anything is possible when we believe. Thank you so much, magandang gabi, Barangay Bangad.
Next, Binibini. Are you ready? Binibini 8? Where from? Taga saan po kayo? Continue. Okay. How do you promote self-love and acceptance with the LGBTQI+ community? Again, how do you promote self-love and acceptance with the LGBTQI+ member?
Man, I have two things that I have in myself. My first is self-reliance and my second is self-determination. My self-reliance is characterized by make my own beauty and make my own talent. And my self-determination is characterized by having a true faith in God. Ladies and gentlemen, by having a true faith in God can make a globally dynamic, proud homosexual. Thank you so much.
Alright, Binibini 8 next. What is your dream for the LGBT community? Again, what is your dream for the LGBT community? Dream. Pangarap.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ang aking pangarap lang po bilang isang member ng LGBT ay tanggapin at respetuhin kagaya ng normal na tao. Dahil kami po mismo, araw-araw naming nararanasan ang panglalait, pangungutya at pagbababa ng iba. Kaya't sa mga kapwa ko LGBT dyan, lagi niyong tatandaan, have courage and be kind. Thank you so much.
Okay, Binibini 9. You use your platforms to raise awareness about issues like equality and mental health. How do you use your platforms to raise awareness about issues like equality and mental health? Tatagalogin ko, ba't ba binabasa niyo pa? Okay. Para sa iyo, how do you use your platform? Para sa iyo, ano ang iyong plataforma para maging awareness kayong mga LGBT community, equality, pagkakapantay-pantay, at sa mental health? Or, okay ka na? Go?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Simple lamang po ang aking kasagutan. Ano nga daw po ba ang plataforma ko na maipapahayag
Sa pagkakapantay-pantay?
pagkakaroon ng pantay-pantay ng LGBT? Ladies and gentlemen, tayo po ay magkaroon ng pantay-pantay na pananaw sa bawat isa. Lagi po nating tatandaan, tayo po ay ginawa ng poong may kapal na walang mababa, walang mahirap. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap. Dahil naniniwala po ako sa kasabihang, hanggat tayo'y pare-parehas umiinom ng tubig, hanggat tayo'y pare-parehas lumalanghap ng sariwang hangin, hanggat tayo'y pare-parehas kumakain ng kanin, dito sa mundong ibabaw, ay magkakaroon po tayo ng pantay-pantay. Yun po ang isang plataforma na gusto ko pong maipahayag sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
If you crown tonight, how will you use your title? If you crown tonight, how will you use your title?
For me, I will use my title to influence every youth there na hindi mo kailangan magtago, na kailangan mong magbigay, ipakita ang sarili mo sapagkat walang tutulong sa'yo kundi lang sarili mo. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Pinipili. Can LGBTQ individuals inspire the youth? How can LGBTQ individuals inspire the youth? Sa tingin mo, paano ka magiging ehemplo para sa mga kabataan? Again, sa tingin mo bilang LGBT, paano ka magagawang ehemplo or paano ka magiging ehemplo para sa mga kabataan?
Okay, paano po ako magiging
Paano ka magiging ehemplo sa mga kabataan?
sa mga kabataan? Maging ano lang po tayo, maging mabusi lang po sa sarili, maging tiwala lang po. At maging mabuti sa bawat tao na narito ngayong gabi, kung ano man ngayong gabi. Bagkus, kung magiging mabuti ka sa bawat tao, magiging mabuti ka sa lahat. Ngayon lang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you. Your question, what is beauty for you? What is the beauty for you?
Para po sa akin, ang kagandahan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa panlabas ng isang tao. Ngunit ito ay makikita lamang.
Para sa iyo, ano ang kagandahan?
Okay. Para po sa akin, ano daw po ang kagandahan? Para po sa akin, ang kagandahan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa entablado o sa anumang patimpalak. Ito ay nakikita kung ano ang iyong itsura o kung ano man ang iyong pagmumukha kapag walang makeup. Lagi po nating tatandaan, ang kagandahan po ay pinaparte lamang sa kagandahan ng ating mga ugali. Salamat po.
Thank you. Next, for makes a fabulous queen?
Thank you for the wonderful question. It is indeed an undeniable fact that when we say a queen, it is all about the crown. Marami sa inyo ang inaakala na pag sinabing queen ay may corona. But now, look at me. I am fabulous queen. Bakit? Sapagkat handa akong humarap sa inyo ng ako. Handa akong ipakita kung sino ako sa harap ng maraming tao. Hindi ako natatakot dahil ito ako. So to be a fabulous queen, maging ikaw ka. Mahalin mo ang sarili mo, irespeto mo ang sarili mo, at higit sa lahat, tanggapin mo ang sarili mo. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, Binibini 14. And plus, Binibini. What do you think self-love is important? Again, what do you think self-love is important?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, self-love is important dahil kung wala kang pagmamahal sa sarili mo, mapapabayaan mo ang kalusugan mo. Mapupunta ka sa isang depresyon kung saan hindi mo na makita kung saan ka patungo. Hindi mo na matakay kung saan ka, kung ano ang mga pangarap na dapat mong talakayin sa buhay. Kaya naniniwala ako na mahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sarili. Dahil kung wala ka nun, mawawala ka sa sarili mong landas. Yun lamang po ang maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, judges. Our Mix Content 2026. May I call in Judge Miss Alona S. Guerra. 2026 goes to Binibini. Binibini 9, yes, congratulations, Miss Mix 2026, none other than Binibini 9. Binibini 9 and 10. Award is Miss Friendship.
Miss Friendship.
Miss Friendship. Next, Miss Professional. Binibini 15. Aling lang, charot lang. Congratulations, Binibini 15. Next up, Binibini.
Closest smile.
11.
11. Miss Close-Up Smile.
Congrats, Binibini 11. Next award, Miss Catwalk goes to Binibini. You again, 11. Next, Miss Flawless. Miss Flawless, Binibini. 4. Next, Miss 9.
Miss Body Beautiful. Candidate number 9.
Next, Miss
Feminine Look.
Binibini 14.
Guarding up the
Of
crowd.
course, 8.
Number 8. Guarding up the crowd.
Award.
People's Choice Award.
Binibini 9. People Choice Award. Los Photogenic goes to Binibini 11.
Merong isa mamahalin, sasambahin sa buhay natin. Mayroong isa bukod tangi sa lahat at ibigin ng tapat, ngunit sa
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Best in production number.
Binibini 8. Okay, and picture po. Picture po. National costume. Barangay, mga sa tingin po ninyo, sino ang best in national costume? Who is the presenter? Bini! 10. Congratulations, Bini Bini 10. Next award is Best in Casual Attire. Who is the presenter of Best in Casual? Best in Summer Attire. Presenter. Bini Bini. And I would like to call in the presenter of Best in Talent. Okay, next award, Best in Talent. Binibini 10. Yes, you are the Best in Talent 2026. Gown.
Best in long gown.
Best in long gown goes to Binibini 14. And of course, congratulations Binibini 14. And of course, sir, stay na din po kayo dito. Kayo na din po ang mag-award ng Best in Casual. Okay, next, Best in Casual goes to Binibini 11. Congratulations, Binibini 11. At tupalo po, hinahanap pa yung sash. Congratulations, Binibini 11. Congratulations. And of course, thank you so much, sir. And now, in no particular order. Your dreams alive, Binibini 8. With an average score of 83.10%. Yes, Binibini 8. DJ, Binibini 8. Huwag na po kayong bababa. Question and answer na. Next, you're also included, Binibini. With an average score of 83.15, Binibini 15. Next, you're in Binibini 7. 83.25%. You're still in the running, Binibini 9. Please join them, Binibini 85.8% Binibini. Six. Two spots remaining. Pumalakpak ka na dahil pasok ka with an average score of 87.23%. Binibini. 10. And last, for the semi-finalists, Binibini. With an average score of 90.3%, Binibini. 14. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Bangad are 7 beautiful ladies. And of course, sa mga baby girls. Question number 6. Politics and nation building, the citizen responsibility questions. Politics in the Philippines is often seen as polarizing. As a member of the LGBTQI community, how do you think we can contribute to a more unified and progressive nation? Ay. Basahin ko pang isa. Gusto mo?
Mga kaibigan, sasagutin ko po ito ng dire-diretso at mula sa aking puso. Sa darating na botohan ay kailangan po natin mamili kung sino ang dapat mamumuno sa ating bansa. Mga kaibigan, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, vote wisely. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Binibini 8. Next, Binibini. Ang buhay ay puno ng tagumpay at kabiguan. Paano mo hinaharap ang pagkatalo at ano ang itinuturo nito sa iyong halaga? Bilang isang tao, ang buhay ay puno ng tagumpay at kabiguan. Paano mo hinaharap ang pagkatalo at ano ang itinuturo nito sa iyong halaga bilang isang tao?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, ano ang ituturo nito sa isa lamang parte sa ating buhay. Kumbaga ang ating buhay ay isa lamang libro at meron itong bawat may mga bawat pahina na kumbaga meron itong kabiguan at tagumpay. Marahil halos karamihan sa atin ay nakakaranas ng kabiguan, ngunit pagkatapos ng kabiguan, nagkakaroon din tayo ng pag-asa dahil sa kabiguan ito ay tinuturuan tayong mas maging matatag at malakas sa susunod pa ng mga hamon sa buhay. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, Binibini 15. Next, Binibini. What is your number, baby girl? Number?
5.
Question number 5, please. Sa panahon ng social media kung saan ang lahat ay gustong maging influencer, anong pamana ang nais mong iwan para sa susunod na henerasyon ng ating komunidad? Sa panahon ng social media kung saan ang lahat ay gustong maging influencer, anong pamana ang nais mong iwan para sa susunod na henerasyon ng ating komunidad?
Everyone has ability to become an influencer. And we all know that being influencer is not easy. We should be literate in terms of using social media. And one thing that I will leave to my legacy by using social media, being an influencer, by spreading love to this community. Because we all know that love is a universal language that when we can be connected to everyone, even though we live in differences. And by doing this, we can reach the tip of the universe, and I can say 5 years from now, our community will be productive and progressive as well. Thank you so much and good evening.
Thank you, Binibini 7. Next, Binibini 9. Relax. And pick the number. Open. Question number 9. Sabi nila, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Ngunit ang politika ay madalas pinamumunuan ng mga tradisyonal na nakakatanda. Paano mabisang mahamon ng kabataan kabilang ang LGBT youth ang kasalukuyang sistema? Sabi nila, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan.
Thank you so much. As a member of LGBTIQ+ community, I believe we have to change the leader. We have to vote wisely. Piliin natin ang tama na marunong rumispeto. Dahil respeto ang pagmumula ng kahit saan. We should always respect ourselves and respect others. Because as a member of LGBTQ community, you cannot be an inspiration to all if you yourself cannot respect itself. Above all, as a member of LGBT, you have to go for a further education. As much as possible, whatever level of life you've got, maybe you're in the poor level, that is not important. Because again, itself, we are intellectually capacitated with skills and abilities to definitely conquer whatever the world has to offer. And therefore, I should say that if you are an educated gay, what more you can ask? You've got the best of both worlds. And if you got the best of both worlds, you can conquer everything that you've got. With that, we should always take responsible of what we are. We should always take respect of what we are doing. There are a lot of questions, maybe spirituality, religion, politics, and everything. Try to think of this. Why do we exist? Because it is because God gave us a purpose. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini 9. Binibini, what's your number, baby girl? Binibini 9. Just relax and enjoy. Ready ka na? Number. Buso, dito na, para hindi ka na mahirapan. Ere. Kung ikaw ay magiging isang kasangkapan sa bahay, ano ka at bakit? Again, kung ikaw ay magiging isang kasangkapan sa bahay, ano ka at bakit?
Okay, thank you for one beautiful question. Kung ako man daw po ay magiging isang kasangkapan sa bahay, ano daw po ako at bakit? Nanay, dahil naniniwala po ako, ang nanay ay siya ay ilaw ng tahanan. Dahil ang aking magulang, nakikita ko sa kanila kung gaano sila kabait at respetado. Kaya ako po ay magiging isang kasangkapan sa bahay, ano daw po at bakit? Yung po ay maging ina. Dahil sila po ang aking mata. Salamat po.
Kasangkapan ba yung nanay? Okay, thank you so much. And next, please. Okay, number. Kung yung question, kung kaya mong ipaliwanag ng mabuti, why not naman? Okay, number 3. Mahalagang aral na natutunan mo sa iyong paglalakbay bilang isang drag queen trans woman. Ano ang pinakamahalagang aral na natutunan mo sa iyong paglalakbay bilang isang drag queen trans woman?
Ayun na naman yung drag queen.
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Simple lamang po ang aking kasagutan. Ano nga daw po ba ang aking natutunan sa aking paglalakbay bilang isang trans woman? Ang bagay na natutunan ko bilang isang trans woman ay ang pagkakaroon ng kumpiyansa sa sarili at respeto sa bawat isa. Lagi po nating tatandaan, kung may kumpiyansa tayo sa sarili, kaya po nating humarap sa maraming tao. At kung may tiwala tayo sa sarili, magiging inspirasyon tayo ng bawat isa at mga kapataang nangangarap. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Question number 8. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong magmungkahi ng isang batas na susugpo sa korupsyon sa ating gobyerno, ano ito at bakit? Again, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong magmungkahi ng isang batas na susugpo sa korupsyon sa ating gobyerno, ano ito at bakit?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Marahil pa ang kabataan po ang ating mga manonood ngayon. Hayaan niyo pong sagutin ko ang katanungan sa ating wikang kinagisnan, ang wikang Tagalog. Ang katanungan ay umiindayog sa ganitong paraan. Kung bibigyan daw po ba ako ng pagkakataon na makausap si President Bongbong Marcos, ano daw po ba ang mahihiling kong gawing batas about sa corruption? Simple lang, gusto kong taasan ang kwalifikasyon ng mga kumakandidato dito sa ating bansa. Bakit, ladies and gentlemen? We all know that living in this era, maraming mga kumakandidato ang puro artista. Takbo ng takbo na ang gusto lamang pala ay tumulong. Kung gusto mong tumulong, pwede kang tumulong without candidating in any Senate position. Now, bakit tayo nakokorap? Simple lang. Dahil hindi natin nililitis, hindi natin pina-fact check at higit sa lahat hindi natin sinusuri ang mga kumakandidato. Nagkakaroon ng corruption dahil sa atin. Nagkakaroon ng corruption dahil hindi natin ginagamit ang ating right, which is right to suffrage. Ito ang kakayahang bumoto, ang karapatan mong bumoto. Since born, ang right to suffrage ay nasa sayo na. So you need to use it in proper way. Lagi natin tatandaan, ladies and gentlemen, na dapat ang binoboto natin ay ang leader na magsisilbi sa tao at hindi
ang leader na pagsisilbihan ng tao. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, nasa ating mga kamay, nasa ating mga palad ang ikakatagumpay ng ating kinabukasan. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much, Binibini. Binibini 6. Congratulations, Binibini 6. You are the fourth runner-up of Miss Gay Bottoms Up 2026. Next is third runner-up. The third runner-up, none other than Binibini. Binibini 10.
Third runner-up.
Congratulations, Binibini 10. Next, second runner-up. Miss Gay Bottoms Up 2026. Second runner-up goes to Binibini. Who do you think she is? Binibini. Nine. Congratulations, Binibini 9. And take a look to Sir Chi for a photo op or a picture taking. And 3, 2, 1, push. Binibini 7 and Binibini 14, please center of the stage. Ladies, one of you is to become a Miss Gay Bottoms Up 2026.
Center stage.
Barangay Bangad, are you ready? Are you excited? So what are we waiting for? Ladies and gentlemen, our first ever Miss Gay Bottoms Up 2026 goes to Binibini. Ang una ko pong i-announce ay ang title holder. Again, Miss Gay Bottoms Up 2026 goes to Binibini. Binibini? Again, our Miss Gay Bottoms Up 2026 goes to Binibini. You're correct, 14. And of course, congratulations, Binibini 7. You are the first runner-up of Miss Gay Bottoms Up 2026. Once again, thank you so much to all the suppliers. Especially to Sir Chi sa atin pong sounds and lights. Thank you sa atin pong sa mga taga City Hall, Congressman, kay Mayor, kay Mayora, Honorable Captain, sa mga judges tonight. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of this morning. My name is DJ Lon na nakasisiguradong mahal ka ng Diyos, maging sino ka man. Again, DJ Lon Pangilinan, signing off.
forget to like, follow, and for more. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and follow for more. This is J.R. De La Peña. Thank you for watching Queen 3R TV.